gonna try something that I don't know if it's ever been done before. Do a song, eat a banana at the same time. That's gonna be a challenge here. Woo! There's always time for something different. Uh, I got the banana blues. Yes, I do. I got the banana blues. You know what I mean? Yeah. Ooh, ooh, It's a little bit hard playing guitar with this, that's for sure. But time to eat healthier. Different year, different attitude, better days. Time to get in shape. It's a beautiful day again. It's time to go outside and play. Time to go outside and go for another bike ride. Maybe I should go on a trail, come a real, cause they're keeping it real on the south side of Rizzle. On my tizzy bed, I come around, I left, purple on the wet, go for couple, cause I give a more. I love an animal, I wanna be. You're beautiful too, coming around the color, mama. Around my touch, I get the whistle, whistle, I get noise with the whistle. I wanna know, yeah, beautiful. You got the banana blues, baby. You are mine. You're my shining star, waiting for me. You make me want to complete my life with you. Just relax a little bit and be happy. Yeah. I think you're beautiful. I love you, baby. I might be a little naughty at times. I come around with a 96 rhymes. I come around with the dime of the pound of the water. Open the good cushion that made me wanna oh man, I was getting carried away. All right. Anyways, this is the end of the banana song. Listen to the sound of my voice. Listen to the sound of my voice. I want you to show me why I love the way you stare into my eyes. Look at me. Have a good day, man. Definitely a good day for a bike ride. Take care, dude. Woo.